Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. My name is Georgia, for those of you who are new. And to my regular subscribers, welcome back. So as you could tell from the title, we are going to do a new Shopify video. I'm going to show you how to advertise your Shopify store for free. But before I get into the video, I'm going to direct you to the rest of my YouTube channel where I have all of my videos broken down into playlists. And if you haven't visited my playlist called Shopify Tutorial for Beginners, you need to go on there. This one, how to change the background color, is my most watched YouTube video on Shopify my most watched YouTube video on Shopify. So if you need help doing that, watch this video, and there are other videos in the playlist that may be helpful to you. So let's go over now to my Shopify store, and I am going to walk you through how to promote your Shopify store for free. So we're in my Shopify store, Touch Me Textures, and we are on the products page. And now we're going to go to the left hand side, and we're going to click on the tab labeled marketing, and we are about to create a campaign. So click on campaign, and then what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down and you're going to look for the tab called Facebook page post. And you see right on that it says Facebook free campaign. Of course, there are other ways to promote on Facebook where you do pay for marketing. You will get a lot more targeted visitors to your Shopify store. But if right now, you're just starting out, you don't have too much money, available to do marketing, you could still market on Facebook for free. Of course, you would have to have a Facebook page linked to your Shopify store. And it is good practice to have a Facebook page for your Shopify store, because that's where you communicate with your customers. So this is my Facebook page, again titled Touch Me Textures, and I go in here as often. I try to get in here every day and make at least 3 to 4 posts directing visitors to my Shopify store. This one was just from a few days ago. And as you see, it's not too many visitors that came in here. I'm showing them all the new items that's new in the collection. And that's how I'm going to walk you through right now on how to go about doing this. So you could set it up to publish immediately, or you could space it out, time it out, throughout the day. You don't want all 3 back to back. You want to be able to make the post go live when you think you have the most people to visit the store. So my times that I usually post, I make a post at 7 a.m. I do a post around 9 a.m. I do another one around 1 or 2 o'clock. And then I do one at around 5:30, and I usually make my last post around 7 p.m. because 7 p.m. people are home, they're winding down, they're not really scrolling on social media at that time. So that's when I make my last post. So 3, 4, 5 posts a day. You never could do too much. You'll have to let people know about your business. You have to let them know that you're here to serve them. So therefore, how are you going to let them know if you're not posting about it on social media? Another thing with this, when you do click on the Facebook page post, if you also have a linked Instagram to your Facebook page, because Instagram and Facebook, they're the same company. If you have a linked Instagram account titled again the same as your business name, then it will get posted to both your Facebook and your Instagram at the same time. At this moment, I'm having a little issue getting my Instagram and my Facebook page, business Facebook page, connected. So as of now, I am just working with Facebook. So let me show you how to go about doing it. Like I said, you go into marketing. Then let me start over because I was rambling. So you go into marketing, you click on create campaign, you have to scroll down because it's a little bit hidden. You click on Facebook page post, Facebook free campaign, and it says promote products to your existing audience on Facebook. And then, for instance, let me just use my sunglasses as an example. So you have an activity name, and remember, you see it says only you will see this. You click on sunglasses, type in sunglasses. Oh, can't spell. GLASSES. Then post detail, you want to search products. Again, you want to type in sun, GLASSES. And then what's going to happen, all the sunglasses that I have listed in my products, that's live on Shopify, is going to pop up. Now I want to do, let's see, 3 posts. So I just click, click, click. So if you want additional, you could do up to 5, like I said. So right now I'm just doing 3. I don't think I want those 3. The reason why you have clothing showing up as well is because it has something to do in the title with the name sun. So you just got to be careful how you go about selecting your items. And the way you select them is the way that it's going to post on Facebook. So if you want this candy rimless gradient sunglasses to go first, then you have to deselect the other 2 and then choose other styles that are below that one. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I am going to uncheck Asha because I think I promote this a lot. And I'm going to do candy rimless sunglasses. I am going to do Claudia rectangular, and I think I want to do Jacqueline. Where did I pass it? Yeah, I want to do Jacqueline modern aviators. So those 3 I'm going to do. I'm not going to do 5 because I want to be able to make another post later on. So you click on add, and then you wait for it to populate, and then you click on schedule. Now, if you want to put like a text, like you want to say, okay, these glasses are 50% off, get it, which is actually what's going on my page. So I'm going to put that in there. All sunglasses are now 50% off. Shop the selection today. Okay. Make sure I have no misspelled words. All sunglasses are now 50% off. Shop the selection today. And I have Grammarly. I don't know if you know about Grammarly. That's installed. So it does my automatic checking for me as far as spelling and make sure all of my other things are correct. So there is no discount code necessary. Well, there is, but when they click on it, they'll see. So they will go in using these sunglasses that I've posted, and then they could see the others. So now that that's done, I'm going to click on schedule. And here you have the option to schedule it for a later date and time, or you could publish now. By default, the schedule is set up for the next day at 10 a.m. So if you want to schedule it later in that day, you have to click on it, go in and change the date to your current date, which is April 18th right now. And the time, what time is it now? It's 12:43. So like I said, I usually post around 1 to 2 p.m. Let me do this for 1 p.m. because a lot of people are on lunch at that time if they're working and scrolling through their phone. And when it pops up at 1 p.m., I might get some views and visitors to the website. So I'm scheduling it for today, the 18th of April at 1 p.m. And that's it. You click on schedule. And it's scheduled to go live on your Facebook page at 1 p.m. Now I want to let's do another one just so you could see how it's done. Let's do another one. Click on add activity. We are going to do, again, it goes back, it pops up. We're going to go back to Facebook page post free. And I think I want to do skirts. So let's type in skirts. As you guys know, I have number of items on this SKIR on this Shopify store, in my Shopify store. So I'm going in and I want to pick some skirts. See, I just gave it generalized skirts. I could do denim skirts, I could do satin skirts, but I just want to do generalized skirts. And you see, other things are popping up only because it has in the title of that skirt title, then there's something having to do with it. I don't like the selections. Let me see. Let me put in satin skirts and see what pops up. And just take off the S and just satin skirt. Okay. These that are in draft are already sold out. That's why it's sitting there. I don't think I'm going to get 3 products in order to promote because everything here is in draft. Okay, let's take out the word satin and just go back to skirt. Now, let me give up. So maybe I just put some jeans. It's springtime, so people are, ladies, they tend to wear a lot of skirts during the springtime. I don't like the selection right here. I mean, yes, I'm selling it, but to get visitors to your page, you want to have beautiful things. And okay, yeah, we're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep it because I see something that I like right here. It says Ditsy floral hem knot skirt. We're gonna use that one. This time I'm gonna use 5 items. Doe and Worry first sight tiered maxi skirt. There was one that I saw that I like. Elastic weight pleated maxi skirt. Can't make all of them too long. Okay, here we go. Faux leather coated skirt and faux leather pencil skirt. So that's 5 items. It won't let you pick more than 5. So you have to be conscious of what you really want to promote. So there we had 5 skirts we added. And now we're going to click on the word add. And this one we're going to pick to go live right away. I'm not going to write. You don't have to write the post text. It's up to you if you want to, but it's not necessary. So we're going to go live with it. We're going to click on schedule. And we're going to want to publish it now. I mean, it's close to 1 o'clock when the next one is about to go live, but it doesn't matter. We're going to click on publish now. And then there you have it. Now we're going to go over to my Facebook page and we're going to see the post. So go over to Facebook. You want to refresh the page to make sure that it's posted. So we're over here on my Facebook page, Touch Me Textures Facebook page, and there is the post. These are all the skirts that I just chose and posted to the Facebook page. So you have the Ditsy floral wrap hem knot skirt. You have the Dore tiered maxi, another maxi, the coated leather, and the faux leather pencil skirt. And then what happens is if you're not interested in clicking on any of those, then you also have an additional link that is populated for you to click on to go back to your website. So let's click it and see if it takes us there. So there, the link takes me right back to my homepage of Touch Me Textures. And that's what we have going on here. So that is how you create, or you go in and you promote your Shopify store for free in the back of your Shopify website. There's a lot of different tools in here to help you be successful as you use Shopify, and it's so easy to use. That's why I like to use Shopify so much. So this is just one of them. I know that this might be a little bit time consuming, but it's worth doing because like I said, it does bring visitors to your website. There is another way that I do schedule for my posts to hit both my Facebook page and also my Instagram, being Instagram is a little bit giving me a little hard time right now with meshing the two. So there's another app that I use. So in my next video, I'm gonna introduce you to that app. It's a little bit tedious, but it's worth it. You do get a lot of visitors to your Instagram using that app. So in my next video, that's what I'll do. If there's anything that you want me to cover, how to go about using in the back office of Shopify, just leave it in the comment section, and if I'm able to help you, I will make a video on it. So we could all learn together, grow together, and have successful businesses here on Shopify together. So as always, I do thank you for watching my video. Remember to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Georgia Denise is the YouTube channel. Subscribe to the channel. If you want to, maybe the question you have regarding Shopify is already covered in one of my videos. So make sure you click on playlist right here and search for Shopify tutorial for beginners and go ahead and watch these videos so they could help you. Again, thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comment section if you wish. And until next time, be sure to take care of yourselves and your family. Bye-bye.